Hello, I'm Mavis and welcome to my channel. So if you want to see how I achieved these two looks, the short pony and the top knot bun, please do keep on watching. And while at it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So I'm doing this on relaxed hair. My hair is relaxed. As you can see, I started by combing out the hair. I did put some oil prior to this, Megagrowth oil. Then, as you can see now, I am just sectioning off the sides so that I'm gonna curl them to just give, like, you know, the curls at the sides, pretty much. Then I will go in with the Lotta body mousse. Mousse is really good for if you've like relaxed your hair like freshly and you do not want to use gel. Mousse is just the best thing ever you could use because it does not dry down and leave the residues that the gel leaves, so it's more sleek and better and very, what is it called, very good for the hair because it has oils, coconut oil, shea butter, and also good for very delicate relaxed hair, so you can use it to also do the edges. Now here you can see I'm just using the rollers. I did put some mousse on the sides and then put the rollers on to give it no heat type of curls. Then I took my long ponytail that I got from Natural Hair Kenya. This is what I'm going to use to make my top knot bun. So I installed it. Then as you can see, I'm just combing it out to ensure just it's uniform and nice. And then here we now twist it to have that effect of the top knot bun. You just twist it. If you want your bun to be bigger, you can just let it be bigger, but if you just want it to stay this, like to be smaller, twist it even more tighter. Take it round the bun. And that's it, pretty much that's it. Use some bobby pins to secure the hair. Some more mousse to just smoothen it out. And that's it. Then I'm removing the curls at the sides to give it a curl. Then using the Nice and Lovely gel to just set it down. You know, to just set it down to dry down a little bit at the sides. Pretty much that's pretty much for the first look. So for the next look, I just installed a short ponytail. This ponytail, I got it from Dubois or Dubois Road, as they call it. Yeah, pretty much I was looking for something that is everyday and I can just slap it on and it looks okay. And I did recurl it because it was synthetic and it had this tight curls, and I was like, no, I don't really like that, so I had to just recurl it. And yeah, pretty much that's it.